guys, this is Solomon from hedgemastermind.com. Today is a good day. We're trying to see what the market has for us. We've done hedging, we've done scalping system A, scalping system B, taking some risky trades. We had another hedge, and I had a session with the students that I wanted you to see. Like I said, if you want to get 3 months to 1 year of free signals, message me trial on Telegram. Link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your own account with for the trial to trade your own account. And you join access to the VIP group. In the VIP group, I try to draw signals and analysis every single day. As you know, I do my live stream and we do only one signal and analysis session, free signal analysis session every Mondays or Tuesdays around New York session. And in the Telegram group, it's every day, Monday to Friday. So yes, I had a session with the students. You can watch the video. Let me know what you think. If you want to join the free Telegram group, link in the description. Also, we're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the year, 2024. And yeah, let's see how the market goes in another video. For now, I want you to see the live session with the students. Like I said, if you want to buy the course, learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, we'll be right back in another video once we have trades in the market. Join the free Telegram group for 3 months to 1 year free signals as a trial. So message me trial on Telegram, link in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe. And make comments in the comment box. I always reply to every single comment. All right, see you guys soon.
And that you have to understand, you way more advanced than me. And I also have to throw out the fact that I had previous instructors before you that would taught me all kind of probably silly stuff like support and resistance, trading according to market structure and everything like that. So I have to empty out my head and learn this new strategy that you have, which is proven to be effective and working. So you have to take that into consideration. So I know sometimes it may be frustrating when I ask these questions more than once, but I'm dealing with that, what I've been previously taught before, and I'm sure that I was taught wrong. I'm trying to learn the right way to trade, and for me, everybody learns different. For me, it's going to take me not only just looking, visualizing it, but observing and practicing.
Yes.
And that's what I'm gonna have to do. And when I have questions, I already said that what I was gonna do. When I'm gonna have questions, is I'm gonna write them down, and then I'm gonna send them to you at maybe 3 or 4 at a time. After I get the number of, and I'll send them to you on Telegram. And whenever you have some free time, just shoot it back to me.
Okay.
Yeah, if that's okay with you, you know what I'm saying? Because like I say, you've been nothing but a blessing to me, and you work with me, and these courses are really, they're in depth and they're very detailed, and so I learned a lot from you just in a short period of time. And since I've been with you, I even earned some money just looking at your videos and stuff. So I'm like, but I want to learn why I'm making this money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand. So have you ever done like scalping before? Have you ever done like swing before? Have you ever done like hedging before?
I've heard the term scalping, didn't know what it was. I heard the term swing. I thought swing when I was, from my conception of it, from what I heard, was like it was being in the market for longer periods of time. If I am wrong, please correct me.
No, that's correct. That's correct. It can be within a day. It can be within a week or more. So it's more long term.
Okay. Another thing too, what I need you to do before I do forget is not now, because I still want to know about as much scalping as I can, because that's what I primarily want to do is scalp the market like you do. When we get to the before I forget, to the Fibonacci charts or whatever, I'm gonna need you to show me the ones that I did correctly and the ones I did wrongly, but also too how to erase that stuff off of there without erasing like the bars and everything like that that's on the chart, because I couldn't get rid of that for nothing yesterday. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just wait for Solomon, because I don't want to erase nothing that I really need on here.
Okay.
Yeah, and then next week too, I'm gonna start looking because tomorrow's a holiday over here, and today I got a lot of stuff going on. Once I'm gonna try to get some YouTube videos in on today, but I'm gonna have to get with a broker. More than likely, I would say maybe more than likely Monday, so I can get this account, get that new account opened up, and get that, get it all set up, and then I'll get with you,